Hello, everyone. So I was looking at TRON. I decided to do some more macro analysis. It's one of those coins that's been around for a while. It stood the test of time. It works well. It's cheap and fast, at least. So, I decided to do some macro analysis on it, and I did notice some very interesting things. So, first off, notice that Tron kind of looks like Bitcoin in 2018. Let me go to the Bitcoin chart. You know how Bitcoin back here traded in this triangle. We held this support at 6,000 forever. Like, how long do we hold this support? Like, almost a full year, 200 something days. And, then after that, we got this drop, which was about like 50, 40 something percent. And, it's kind of what Tron is looking like right now. You can see we got that triangle going on. We've held this support for, 600 days, so a little bit longer than Bitcoin. But, it looks very similar. We got that triangle thing going on. And, who knows? We're getting pretty close to that support level. Maybe the time to break it is coming. And conveniently, if you took a 50% or so measured move from current price, you end up at this very key area, I would say, of support. So I'm basically going to be going over my macro TA for Tron, going over all these levels, and marking out some key areas of support for, if we do see that massive breakdown in between like 0.033 and 0.027. I think this is probably going to be the first real key area of support once we lose this level, basically. We had this one candle right here. There were some wicks up above this level in the past, but really the main support isn't coming in until right around there. So first I got this line, key support and resistance, and that is because we had monthly support on this level. We had this wick off of it. We had basically monthly resistance there. We had some more resistance on this area over here. So overall, just a very key support and resistance level. And we also have this monthly order block right below there. And I don't know if everybody would consider this an order block. I'm considering this an order block right here because we had uptrend. Then, we had this little area where we had some purple candles and then more uptrend there. And at the bottom of that monthly order block is probably the most key level that I was able to find. You can see I have marked out untapped monthly, macro 886, and macro point of control. So right here we have this untapped monthly level. It's not perfect because this candle closed down here and this one opened up here for some reason, but still it's where a monthly candle opened and it's untapped. Also, if I turn that fixed range back on, the fixed range of this entire uptrend, pretty much since we put in the bottom back here, you can see the point of control is coming in right on top of that level. And you can also see that 886 fib level of that same move from those lows. So there's some very nice confluence lining up with that monthly level, I'd say. And like I said, this would fit the 50% drop that Bitcoin had once it broke the lows of a similar structure. So I think this box right here is looking really juicy right now. And let's see, if we took a measured move from all-time high, that would be an 85% correction. So, that could fit for a bear market. But also maybe we do need to see a little bit lower. And I do have some more levels I want to talk about. I also forgot this. There's an untapped weekly level coming in right in the middle of that monthly order block. So that's a level I'm going to be aware of as well. But after that, the next area of support is probably going to be coming in right in this area here. So if you take that fixed range and just cover pretty much all of the price action on Binance, the point of control is coming in a little bit lower. And right around that point of control, we have these wicks right over here. So some interesting confluence there. And I guess it's also that value area low, yeah. So yeah, that is a pretty key level, I'd say, as well. Point of control, value area low, and these wicks. And then after that, the last area of support coming in way down here, which, that would be pretty crazy if we just gave back everything that we took since 2020, if we came all the way down to some of these levels. People don't expect the wick to hell, but it could always happen. You never know. Maybe we get a quick wick down to some of these levels, quick buy back up. Who knows? But we do got some juicy confluence down there as well. Some untapped weeklies. We have the all-time value area low and an untapped monthly level coming in all the way down here. Yeah, who knows if we get that wick. This could make for a juicy long. Let's see how far of a move from the highs would some of these be. That would be an 87% drop, and all the way down here would be 92. Honestly, all of them are possible. But honestly, the one that is really catching my eye right now is this one, just considering how much TRON looks like it wants to repeat that pattern that Bitcoin did. Honestly, either of these two boxes would sort of fit that, get like a 50% or so drop. So just thought, that was interesting. I may have a interesting little trading plan here. I may look to either long this or fill up some bags. And I did mark out some levels of resistance as well, but I'd say right now is probably not the time to be talking about macro resistances. Maybe after we see a move like that, we can start looking at some of these more macro resistances, some of these untapped monthlies that will probably make for some nice shorts once we finally make our way back up to them. But anyways, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you all in my next one. Peace.